Part 2 of Curious Bear and Fearless Paulie. Let's see what happens. Hopefully she don't bite him. She will bite. Bear's trying to walk slow. Like, come on. She sees you, Bear. Duh. Those are Bear's pads over there. I take him outside. Don't worry, guys. Oh, that's close. Paulie's gonna actually get real used to him. Maybe they be friends, maybe not. Maybe she'll attack him. Oh, don't eat that. I got a vacuum. Oh, she ain't playing. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. Never seen that. They're actually playing. Oh. He might try to hump her. Yeah, that's what his plans were. Sorry, Bear.